What are you doing, King? Alright, whatever. What's up, guys? My name is Isaac Hill. This is Isaac Hill Cool Box, and I hope you guys liked the video that I just posted of the tour.
We're gonna leave it in the bio. Link in bio.
No, stop! Don't tell people that. No link in bio. I don't know how to do that. And if you guys know how to do it, please please tell me. I don't know how to do that, dude. You do? Oh, okay. If you don't see it in the description, then he's a liar. Okay.
Link in the bio. Link in the description below.
Okay, so we're gonna try to ride our bikes. I'm gonna try to ride my bike while filming. So let's give it a shot. I'll try to do a montage, maybe. Oh my gosh, guys, this is not gonna work out. You guys probably hate this right now. Here we go. Kind of getting a little better. It's kind of hard though. Oh shoot! Sorry guys, it's just really hard because it's in sand. Bruh, and then look at King. He's gone. I'm like right here still. Okay, so we are on Edisto Island right now, South Carolina. And a hurricane hit it in 2016, and the dunes, they're gone. Oh. Huh? So yeah. Oh, sorry, I'm so close. That's our house.
It's called Boston.
Ah! Oh no. Ah! Hey, ice cream truck. Hey, ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Truck. Hey, ice cream truck. Hey, Oh, I thought it was raining. I thought it was raining for a second. Whoa. Alright, guys. I'm trying to get to the end of the street right here. Free-handed. I can't do that right now. That looks like, is that a pizza man? It's so hard to, oh, sorry, it's so shaky, guys. Oh no! Peanuts and ice cream. Alright, guys. We are at my part that I like. This part. Quick montage in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so how's it going? How are you? Comment below how your day was. Tonight, if you're watching this, that'd be pretty cool. Didn't you comment? Was that you that commented on my last video that said wow when we were acting like well, not acting, why did I say acting, when King could teleport? Wasn't that, tell me if that was you, because that'd be pretty interesting. Did you hear them? Yo, I'm sexy. Ayy. Yo, I didn't know. That's nice. King, yo, Yo, I swear to God, I crossed my heart and hope to die. There are these girls. They were going by, and they said to me, "Hey, cutie, what's y'all digit?" I was like, "Oh shit!" I was like, "Oh shoot, huh? What? Am I what? Am I what? Can you talk louder? Did you say am I fooling you? No, I'm not. I swear to God. They said, "Hey, cutie, what's your digit?"
Filming?
Yes. I'm not joking. I'm for real. I'm for real not joking. Guys, I'm going to show King the film after I'm finished. Yo, I'm not even joking. I was like, I said, I didn't know I looked good. Huh, I do. Hey, cutie. Hey, cutie, what's your digit? 44444444444. I already told you guys this one time.
Oh my God.
I don't know why I'm giving out my phone number, but
It's not your phone.
yes, it is. King, don't expose me. This is my phone number. It's grass. Yo, that's never happened to me before where somebody said, "Hey, cutie." I didn't know I looked good. But they are like young girls. Yeah, I know, right? That's what I thought. I was like, "Oh, do I look like Bruno Mars?" I think one of them likes me. It's either that they liked me or they dared me. Or they each dared each other or something like that. That's probably what happened, honestly. You want to go up there and see if they're still there? Yeah, they're on bikes. I'm going kind of fast. And then they're like standing right there. And then they like kiss me. I'd be like, "Get off me." Yeah, they're gone. They're gone. They probably left because they knew that I would try to find them and see if it was a dare or something. They're country. I don't like country people. Well, actually, that's not true. It's just, I don't like country music, I guess. No offense to people that like country music. Hey guys, this is how when I used to vlog. One time I tried to vlog with my phone like this. One time I put it up and it was so shaky. It was like this. It was like, look, it was crazy. It was like this the whole day. It was just bad. I'm getting a little better. I'm just still showing you guys an example. Alright, and this is me now. Getting a little better. Those girls though, I'm surprised. I was like, whoa, chill. I'm gonna try to find them tomorrow or something. I gotta wear sunglasses so they think. I gotta wear sunglasses so they still think I look good because I'm ugly. Ah! I always do that to people. It's funny. Their reaction is funny. Oh, sorry. I'm just showing you another example. That example is good. This is how you spy on people. One second, guys. Can't see them. I'm a weirdo. Alright, guys. Sorry you didn't see my face that much. Ow. Sorry you didn't see my face that much. Not that I look good, just because it's kind of weird vlogging without actually really vlogging. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. I'm gonna go and edit this. See you tomorrow. And since everybody's stealing this, I'm gonna do it because it's every day, bruh. Peace. Oh, and this is also what I did.